Hello everyone, Marie here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited for you to join me today for the Kat Scrappiness new release. This is also a giveaway hop, so I will give you a little more details about that later. Right now I'm going to ink blend the new 6x6 Beautiful Beans stencil, and it's so pretty, and I'm going to use some ground espresso ink, distress ink, with my glitter blending brush. And this is white cardstock and it is 110 pounds, and I'm just going to ink blend in the nooks and crannies of all these coffee beans. And I'm going to make a whole page of these coffee beans just to have, just in case I need it, because I was thinking, well, I am using the new Cup of Joe gift card tag die, and I thought I would just cut out the whole thing, and that I would need a whole piece of cardstock here, but that I changed my mind. But I still will end up with a lot of stenciled paper, which I love and I'm sure I will use in the future. So this is part of a giveaway hop, so you can win a prize. The best chances to win a prize is commenting, liking, and visiting everyone who is participating in the hop today from the KS Creative crew. And if you consider, if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channels. We love to show you content. And we also have an Instagram hop as well, so make sure and hop over there too. I can't wait to see everyone's project. The Kat Scrappiness new release is fantastic. We have a lot of new dies, and so this is a fun project. So here is my full stenciled paper cardstock here, and so I'm going to open up the Cup of Joe gift card tag die, and I'm going to end up cutting it out in white cardstock as well. And I am going to be cutting out the lid and the coffee cozy with this patterned, with the stenciled pattern that I have here. And I believe the the gift card part, the slots go on the outside, but I'm actually going to use it for the inside. That way it's more of a surprise, I think. Well, it is a surprise if it's on the outside as well, but I just decided to put it on the inside for this project. And I am going to decorate it with a quokka that I already had colored up from Dress Up Quokka's stamp. And here is where I'm going to die cut those pieces out. There is my quokka from the Dress Up Quokkas, and I'm going to put him on there. And then I'm going to be using the Everyday Quokkas for a coffee cup. The Got Coffee will be cut out with some Christmas faux glitter cardstock. And I am going to put, you can also put that on the lid as well. I'm going to put it on the inside. And my sentiment says, "Hello, my friend." And then I'll say "Got Coffee," and you'll have the gift card inside. So I think that's great. And the "Hello, my friend" is from the Quokka Flowers stamp set and die, outline dies, or actually craft dies. And I'm going to be using that twine, that festive twine, and I will be tying this tag. You can just use the tag as is, like I am. I'm kind of using it as a card, like a tag card. I will put in an envelope, and I might end up mailing it out. We will see. I like that you can use this for Christmas as well. It is Christmas in July, so you can get this die set and make a bunch for Christmas already, and you will have those ready to go, which is perfect. And so I am just making this as a everyday kind of tag card, and I will show you what it fits, how it fits in an envelope. So make sure you do all the things like be subscribed to the KS newsletter. Make sure you fill out the Rafflecopter form and do everything by the date. We usually give you a week or so to do these things, and that way you can win something from the Kat Scrappiness store. And the winner's always announced on the socials, like on Instagram, you can see it. And if you get any of these new products, please, or use any existing products, please share in our Insiders Facebook group. We'd love to see. And I am just placing a few of these ink blended coffee beans I use that ground espresso ink for those. And I thought it'd be fun just to put a couple on the front, and then I have some on the inside as well. And so I love how that looks. I'm going to put my lid on, and I just use liquid glue today. And then I will tie on my little twine there, and I think it's fun. I love it. And I decided to ink blend it a little bit. It's a coffee tag, and I wanted to look more coffee-ish, even though you got all those coffee beans on there. And so super fun. And I will just place it in my envelope. My envelope's a tiny bit smaller than an A2 size, and so I decided to do that since I didn't put it on an A2 card base, so it fit really perfect in this envelope. And I'm just gonna embellish here with my Just Here for the Pie sprinkles, and I'm just using a few brown ones from this mix, and there is glitter and pie in this mix, which is so fun. So make sure you check out the Kat Scrappiness store, and I'll have everything I use down below. And then that is it. And I'm sure I'll have another card tutorial on the Kat Scrappiness YouTube channel. So I'm just going to share how it fits in the envelope, and this project is finished. So I hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun making it. I'll have to make another, and I'm just going to tuck it in this envelope for you to see. And I will be back soon. Thank you for joining me.